Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download and step by step I show you in this video. So open any browsers to type Dell Pro 14 plus, then service tray and then driver. After that, this first link dell.com. So just click on not this because this is the official website. Now if you want to install the all driver, so you can click here, check for update, and it will show the required driver you can install easily. Otherwise, if you have to install specific driver related to you are getting some issues and all, so you can install this selector driver. After that, scroll down, this is your system and this is your model number, and okay, scroll down, click on category. So after that, it will your driver will show like categorize. Scroll down, US camera driver, okay, and click to download. So it is start downloading. Then it is completed. Then single click to open. After that, click for yes for administrator access. Now you can see there are two options: first directly install and second extract file to PC and then install later. So depend about you, install you can directly, but sometime if you are getting the issue in this, so you have to try this one. Try again and it will work background, and after it's completed then restart your system and then please check it. So it is installed and then restart and check it.